to Prabuddhika Madhushan. He takes the ball into contact. Here's Vijay Surya. Good work from Vijay Surya, still on his feet, and here's
ජීවිතය ගැන ගන්න ඕන හොඳම තීරණය.
Swisstex Skim Coat finish එකට හොඳම කෙනා. Dialogue Schools Rugby League.
As you see the match confirmation, Dharmaraja host a Science College here at Bogambara. As you see the visitor Science College starting 15 with in the forwards Dhananjay Sahan, Stilna Sandesh, Tarusha Galage, Surya Priyadarshana, Pramod Nalaka, Sitara Madhusanka,
Varuna Vijay Singh, Lasit Vijay Surya, Kavindra Jayamana forming the front row, and Prabuddhika Madhushan, Ravindu Wickremeke forming the lock combination, and the flankers Vishnu Vikram and Matish Sadev, and the captain playing at the number 8 position. And here's the match officials. Ravi Alexander will be the main match official, and AR1 Chamika De Silva and AR2 Amla Rajakaruna, and Vikram taking the ball into contact on centre field. Hevage gives it out to Veeramsa. Here's Yapa, the danger man. He's been bundled into touch. Good couple of passages from both these teams, and Dharmaraja will get the first set piece of the game, a line out in favor of themselves. As Dharmaraja will take this. Here's at the number 8, Nimsha Peris taking the ball into contact. Good work from Science to keep them at bay. Here's Kavindra Jayamana, he takes the ball into contact. Inches short. This is what they've been doing for the last couple of minutes, and Dharmaraja with yet another advantage. Will this be the first try coming in for Dharmaraja? Yes, Vishnu Vikram, and he's over. That's the first Amana Bank try of the game. Vishnu Vikram, the number 6 for Dharmaraja.
We look to break out and try to go over the whitewash for Science College.
Yes, Methuka feeding in. Looks like it'll be a number 8 break. There again. Ball being knocked backwards. Here's Sasisa. He puts the ball into contact. Advantage being played in favor of Science. That's a lovely couple of steps, and looks like that will be the first Amana Bank try coming in for Science. And surely it will be a yellow card as well for Dharmaraja. It was a lift. And to the sin bin, and here's Sasita. He's managed to kick it. Falls to Yapa. Yapa being bundled. Good couple of support play from Dharmaraja. Kicks it. And advantage being played in favor of Dharmaraja. Looks like that will be another yellow card coming in for Science this time. Advantage was initially played in favor of Dharmaraja. Yet again, it was not a very good kick from Sasita Kaluarachi, who had so much of pressure, and hence he only managed to kick it around 10 to 15 meters. Thought he was over, but Inches shot, gives it out wide, knocks the ball on. Really poor from Dharmaraja. Shouldn't have given the ball out wide to the backs. The forwards did a really good job, and that's going to be the half time. And it's 5-all here at Bogambara, all tied up at 5-all.
Coloma, beautiful outside and inside.
Welcome back to Bogambara as Science kick things off from the right to left as Dharmaraja takes the ball into contact. Looks like it will be a player down for Science. This will be the first line out throw for the new Science forward. Here's the rolling ball being set. Dharmaraja initially doing really well, but here's Science going inches close. Still on their feet is Science, finally being brought down and over the try line. This is the third Damana Bank try being scored by Science. The second rather and third of the game. And just like that, Dharmaraja Hevage gives it to Prabuddhika Madhushan. He takes the ball into contact. Here's Vijay Surya. Good work from Vijay Surya, still on his feet, and here's the try coming in for Dharmaraja. That's the number 5. Ravindu Wickremage scoring the second Damana Bank try for Dharmaraja and the 4th in the game.
Sadish Weerawansa with the kicking duties for Dharmaraja. Can he get these 2 points for his team? Yes, he can, as Dharmaraja get back their lead. 12 points to 10.
Hevage, Dharmaraja not gaining much meters, but they are keeping possession, and not a good pass from Hevage as well. Because he's being popping it. There you go. Vijay Surya, he takes it into contact yet again. Advantage being played in favor of Dharmaraja. Here's Dharmaraja. Now they will have a penalty. Looks like they'll go for 3 points. Sadish Weerawansa. Regulation kick. And right through the middle goes Sadish Weerawansa, and that will be the 3 points. And Science now have to score a try to equal things up. There's surely a penalty coming in. Here's Dharmaraja giving it out to Damsit. He puts the ball to boot, and that really finds touch. And there you go. That finds touch. That's a brilliant kick from Damsit Ratnayaka. And that's the game. That's the game done. Dharmaraja winning their 3rd match at Bogambara. 15 points to 10.
What a game. It's been a scrappy 70 minutes for both teams, but Dharmaraja College, Edge Science College, 15 points to 10 as you see the full-time score confirmation. Dharmaraja College, 15, Science College, 10. Just the 2 tries for both. 1 conversion and 1 penalty.
කොහෙන් හරි කමන්නේ ෆොටෝ එක තිබ්බනම් මට මේ බිත්තියේ කැත වහගන්න තිබ්බා.
චමරි අක්කා. බිත්තියට ස්විස් ටෙක් ස්කිම් කෝඩ් ගාලා ෆිනිෂ් කළා නම් ඔය ප්‍රශ්න මුකුත් නැහැ.
ස්විස් ටෙක් ස්කිම් කෝඩ් ෆිනිෂ් එකට හොඳම කෙනා.